everyone, it's me, Amanda, the tween assistant from the Woodruff Public Library, here to show you how to make your own DIY ice hockey rink. To build your DIY ice hockey rink, you'll need a metal baking sheet, some water to fill your pan but not totally all the way up to the top, 3 popsicle sticks, some glue, 2 pipe cleaners, and a bottle cap. Your first step to making your DIY ice hockey rink is to fill your baking sheet with water. So go ahead and pour water into your baking sheet, but make sure that you leave some space at the top and don't overfill it. Now that you've filled the baking sheet with water, you're going to let it freeze until it's completely solid. Now that we're waiting on the ice to freeze, let's go ahead and make our ice hockey sticks. So you're going to take one of your popsicle sticks and ask a parent or a guardian to cut it into thirds for you. Once they cut it, you're going to take one of the ends that's rounded and you're going to glue it onto a whole popsicle stick. So go ahead and place a little bit of glue and then take your popsicle stick and your little third and glue it together. Now that we've made our hockey sticks, we're going to put them aside so they can dry, and we're going to go ahead and make our goals for our ice hockey rink. So take a pipe cleaner and you're going to fold it into a square. And once you have your square, you're going to tie or twist the ends together so that it is secure. And now I have a square. You're going to take your square and you're going to fold it in half. And now when you place it on your hockey rink, you'll have a little goal. So you're going to repeat this process with your other pipe cleaner. Now that your ice rink has totally frozen, you're ready to put your goals on. So go ahead and place one on either end of the ice rink. Use a bottle cap as your hockey puck, and then you're going to grab a family member or a friend and you're ready to play ice hockey. Thanks for building a DIY ice hockey rink with me. And if you like this video, make sure you check out SCPL on YouTube. Like and subscribe to us.